and today we will be doing pixel art. We didn't do a video on the last one, but this is it. We made our cup full of water on top of that thing. And today we are doing the gray and pink and black plane, except we do not have gray, so we are using yellow. Yeah, this is what we will be making today. We can't really see Courtney, but that's okay. Yeah, so let's get started.
Alright, so let's tell them our materials.
So we need a blank sheet of paper. Doesn't have to be blank on both sides because I made a sketch of the cup, but never mind. We need, for this one, we need black, pink, and yellow construction paper, but you can use any construction paper you want, and you can just make anything you want. We need scissors, we need tape, and we need a pencil. Yeah. Okay, step one, get your blank sheet of paper and sketch out your plane. Courtney?
Alright, so...
There's Courtney.
Alright, so just looking at the plane, you have like this back part, you have that,
The tail.
yep, that, and then you have the body of the plane,
Then the angled
Goes
front.
down. Alright,
And from looking at it from this angle, we only have one wing. But if you look at it from another angle, you might see two wings. But we're only going to do one wing to make it simple.
Yep.
Because we are not abstract pixelers.
alright, and then we have
These little bumpy things.
and the sketch doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a sketch to kind of see what you're doing.
We have our windows.
Window things. Alright, and very basically, here's your plane.
Yep.
Here. Ta-da.
Okay, so that is your sketch of the plane. Thank you, Courtney. And I'm just going to draw a sun, because why not? Because why not? Why wouldn't I? So it's time to get papering. So our technique for this is do not use glue. Just get this, copy whatever's on here. And when you're putting stuff on, make sure to cover the whole thing up with tape so it won't get wet. Let's get started. Scissors. Scissors. You can put these on any angles you want, just as long as they are covering your drawing. Yeah. Boom. First piece of paper on. Okay. Next piece of paper. Bloop. Whoa. I think Miss Courtney went overboard with the yellow. She's still doing it, but that's okay. Da-na-na. Blah, blah, blah. These yellows are going crazy. Meh. Yay. There we go. Now we just need a little nub thing. There we go. So here is our little nub that goes at the end of the front of the plane. There we go. And Miss Courtney has gone overboard with all of the yellows for the covering gray part because we don't have gray and we don't need gray. Yeah. So, Courtney, would you like to start putting in the yellow in place of the gray? Well, I am cutting out squares. There we go. So here is our little window thing. It's going to go right here. Ah! All the yellows. Yes. Meow. There we go. Okay, here we go. There is another little window thing. It's gonna go right here. This is working out well. Yeah. Here is our final window. Goes right here. And we need our tape. So basically we're just putting our tiles on and then taping them down but we're making sure to tape all over them so they don't get wet. If they do get wet, which I highly doubt, but you never know. We are not very high-level pixelers nor video takers, but Blah. Blah. And there is Courtney's arm. Courtney's arm. Courtney's hand. Bye. Here's what it looks like so far. Looking pretty good. Pretty good. Not too snazzy. There we go. Now we have to make our tail. Meh. So we're just copying the airplane behind us right there. I can't pick up papers. There we go. Meh. Lol. Our airplane is looking really good. What do you have to say? The camera is back facing towards me. So we're close to ending the video. But we could probably just put something there. Just for, I don't know.